Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to English Everyday. I'm Taylor, and today, look who's here, Jimmy.
Hey, Taylor. Hey, everyone. Ready for some English fun today? Or are we just going to confuse everyone from the start?
Don't worry, Jimmy. We're here to help people actually understand fast-spoken English, not to confuse them. Well, maybe just a little.
Perfect. A little challenge never hurt anyone.
Exactly. So today, we're diving into tips and strategies to really understand native English speakers, especially when they talk fast.
Ah, yes. Because sometimes it feels like they're speaking in a completely different language, right?
Totally. Let's try an example. Listen carefully. People often ask me why I'm so interested in the mental health of children and young people, and the answer is quite simple. Because I think that every child should have the best possible start in life.
That one's pretty clear. I think most of us could understand that.
Exactly. Now try this one. Listen carefully. That thing, I've not been able to sit back and enjoy it because you're always on the move to the next thing and on the move the next thing. I think that's why during lockdown, I really struggled as well because it was like on to the next thing, and there is no next thing now because we're all in COVID.
Wow. Okay, that's a lot more complicated. My brain hurts just listening to it.
And that's why tip number 1 is diversify your listening practice. Stop only watching TED Talks or members of the royal family. Try reality shows, podcasts, chat shows, anything unscripted.
Yes, because nobody talks in a perfectly written speech in real life.
Exactly. Tip number 2, talk to a real person. I recommend italki. It's a platform where you can book one-on-one lessons with native speakers. Choose your teacher, your accent, and your pace. It's perfect for practicing real conversations.
That sounds great. And the best part? You get to speak as much as you like at your own speed.
Yes, and if you check it out now, you can even get a special promo.
All right, let's get into some fast English practice. Tip 3, linking sounds. Say it with me. I actually saw a dog in his window on Tuesday.
Now say it faster. I actually saw a dog in his window on Tuesday.
Wow, it really does all melt together.
And don't forget intrusive R sounds. For example, I saw a dog. Even if there's no R in writing, it connects the words.
Right, and hard consonants linking with vowels. Dog in, one smooth sound. Drop some H's in UK accents. In his becomes in his.
Schwa is everywhere too. I was a doctor for 2 years, a teacher for 4 years, and an administrator.
And contractions. Gonna, wanna, tronna, lemme, dunno, ain't. All of them make English sound natural.
Exactly.
Let's try a fun example. I'm trying to find my keys. Gimme that. I dunno where they are. Ain't it annoying?
Perfect. That's exactly how native speakers blend everything together.
Tip 4. Stop listening for perfect sentences. People don't speak neatly all the time. Watch gestures, facial expressions, and hesitation sounds. They're all clues.
Right. Follow the train of thought, not just the words. Sometimes the speaker changes topic mid-sentence, and that's normal.
So true. Combine all these tips, and fast English starts to feel not so fast anymore.
Absolutely. And remember, get fascinated by sounds, consonants, vowels, schwas. Do your research, mimic accents, and practice linking.
And most importantly, have fun with it. Enjoying it makes you learn faster.
Couldn't agree more. Let's quickly recap. Diversify your listening, speak with real people, notice the sounds and linking, watch gestures, and have fun.
Exactly. Fast English is tricky, but with practice, it stops feeling so fast.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Everyday channel.
Thanks, everyone. See you next time on English Everyday. Stay curious, stay happy, and ta-ta!
Ta-ta! Bye-bye, everyone.